They're afraid.
Yeah, of course. Because they fear that they're gonna get hit again.
Maybe they're scared of the affections, and maybe something, if they're scared of what their family will say or what their husband may say or something.
Οι γυναίκες παίρνουν μικρότερο μισθό από τους άντρες.
Όχι, πιστεύω ότι οι γυναίκες παίρνουν μεγαλύτερο.
Γυναίκες, οκ. Πάντως, θα σας πούμε στατιστικά ότι οι γυναίκες παίρνουν κατά 13% λιγότερο από τους άντρες. Okay. Το περιμένετε ή όχι?
Το περιμένω.
So you're here from the open position, right? I see that you graduated from Harvard. That's very good. Are you by any chance planning on getting married and having kids?
Yes, in the future I want to get